welcome back to a new video with my friends, Mrs.
Ay, walang chinilas!
Hi!
Hi! Welcome to vlog!
Oh, this is my tita!
Hi!
Hi!
Hello!
Okay! Now I need to... Oh, vlog! Hey! Yo! Hey, yo! Look here, boo-boo. Look here, boo-boo. Can someone put a blessing in the comments because my classmate pushed me. So, hello, this is my face and CJ is going home. Bye-bye. Wait, this is gonna get my food. Oh. Don't mind me, just gonna throw this away. See? Let's wait for CJ, which is Cherry's Grace, Arpador. So let's wait for her. Go na? Yes. Hi guys, I'm CJ. Which is Cherry's Grace Arpador. Yeah, and I know her full name, and my Filipino full name is Margaret Simalyari. So this is my face. Ako po yung nagbibideo kay Ral ng mga friends. Tignan nyo po dyan and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah! Hey, yo! Okay, magbibidyoan ko po yung front part. Bye! So, today, magbabay ko na nga. Oh, party. So, I am holding the phone. So welcome back to another friend video, which is my friends were with my videos. So I'm gonna come. Okay, I'm back. So I just go to drink water. So give me the phone. So give me the phone. Go drink water. Wait. Part 2. By the way, welcome to my dad's water refilling station. Let me show you. So that's Cherry's Grace Arpador house, which is my friend's house, and that's Lucas's house. So this will end in okay. This will end in wait. This will end in 3